Pukana.
Hey. Pukana. Pukana. Pukana.
Pukana.
Pukana. Kiwi. Fire. Kiwi. Pukana. 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 Pukana.
Pukana.
Pukana. Pukana. Haka.
Pukana is a typical Maori, traditional actually Maori game that we're going to adapt to teach English, okay? It's a Maori game with a twist.
Ooh.
So,
Okay.
ready? Pukana he, Pukana ha, Pukana, Pukana, Pukana he, Pukana!
Pukana. 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 Pukana.
Pukana!
Pukana. Pukana. Hey. Pukana.
Oh, you lost, sorry.
Yes.
She lost because she froze for a second and lost the rhythm. So you lost the rhythm, I'm really sorry.
Okay.
But usually you'll be eliminated, bye, but you're gonna come back in the game.
Okay.
Okay. So, now, you understand that you can pass the Pukana or you can throw it across by saying, hey, okay? Now let's add Kiwi. If someone says Kiwi, you get to turn around yourself, okay? Yes?
Okay. Okay.
And then continue with Pukana. Pukana hey, Pukana hey, Pukana, Pukana, Pukana hey, Pukana.
Pukana. Pukana. Kiwi. Pukana.
Pukana.
Pukana. Hey.
Pukana. Ah! Okay. Now, we got Kiwi. What if we introduce fire, okay? Every time you hear someone says fire, everybody has to duck.
Okay.
Fire! Pukana, okay? You have to duck and then
you have to duck around.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, you have to duck around.
Fire!
Ah, yeah, sorry, didn't duck, but okay. And what if we introduce another one as we go? We got Kiwi. Oh, a haka. If someone says haka, you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Pukana he, Pukana hey, Pukana, Pukana, Pukana hey, Pukana.
Pukana. Pukana. Pukana. Hey! Pukana.
Pukana he, Pukana hey, Pukana, Pukana, Pukana hey, Pukana.
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 Pukana hey. This is a complicated game, okay? But I'm pretty sure you're gonna have lots of fun with your students. Don't hesitate to adapt it. Another way you could do it also is if you want to review just one vocabulary word, replace Pukana with monkey, 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 or you know, add more typical New Zealander things to your game, and you're gonna have a lot of fun. Thanks!